So hello everyone, welcome back to this video. And before we start the video, you may have seen the thumbnail and the title. So as it says, Queen charge with drag plus siege barracks. So it's like ground with air, something like that. And I have searched many videos regarding Queen charge with drag, and there were very few videos, and Queen charge with drag plus SV I couldn't find any of the videos. So let's see, will it work or not. I think it's interesting, and I have tried already for past few days, and uh, I'm going to do one live attack, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's a box type base. I think I should go with siege barracks. Siege barracks, if we get queen deep in the base, we need CC. First we need to take out this CC and lure. I think we should start from here. One Coco Loon, one Super Wall Breaker, and healers from behind. So I think she will move in directly. We don't need to funnel much troops for her, and single will be down now. So we need to put headhunters as fast as possible. So till now queen is doing good, and CC got headhunters and lava, so we need to take it out. And king from 9 o'clock, I think queen will lose her ability, and let's see. I need to freeze the queen, and one more raise. It's looking risky right now. I don't know I will reach the town hall or not. Let's see how it goes. Okay, queen survived, and I think queen will move that side. It's super risky. Okay, so hawks from the CC. I think 50% drag will. Okay, so I can now use the warden ability, and I can secure the town hall at least. Let's see. I think town hall, I will get the town hall. Okay, town hall is down now. So it's pretty much strong, but I haven't tried it on the box basis, and suddenly I got one box. So I will show you few replays which I already have recorded before recording this video. So okay, so it will be, I guess, around 86-87%. That will be good enough, I think. 80, okay, 83. Okay, so this was the live attack, and let's continue with the few videos which I have already recorded. So let's see those. Let's start with the first replay. So this is probably not the box base. As I said, I have recorded few videos, and this is one from that, and I have started the queen charge at 6, and my main target was to pull the CC out and lure. So you can see queen is moving towards that single, and see the wall breaker. Super wall breaker gets a perfect open for me, and it was looking okay till now. So I put the king at 7, and now queen will move towards the single and those cannons. I was hoping that she don't go to that king, maybe later after taking that single, but before that, if the king would have moved to the the queen would have moved to the king, then I think the queen ability must be invested there. So you can see my two of the healers got ripped from black mine, and the headhunter, you can see one super wall breaker got wasted here, and the tornado trap, it just put the queen closer to the town hall, and I lost all my healers here, and it was looking not so good here, but I had 2 freezes and rage. So you can see the warden ability, everything got under the ability, and I was able to take out both the scatters and eagle, so in just few minutes, in just less time, I can say. So I had 2 freezes for the back end, and I used both of them on the single and the warden. I still had the royal champ ability, so it was raked in the end. I had 2 dragons and RC ability, 3 dragons, I guess, 2 in the end, okay, and the queen, okay. So pretty much easily done. So this was the first replay, and okay, so let's start with the second one. Okay, so this is the second replay, and it is also the different type of base. So I will start the queen charge at 6 in this one also. My target was to reach that town hall somehow and pull that CC and lure. So I started queen charge from here, and 2 expos were on ground, and 2 of them were on ground plus air. So you can see king and warden. My first super wall breaker got failed, headhunter for the king, and I'm gonna freeze the warden, and that's Tesla now, and I will put my king on 5 so he can pull out the CC and take some damage from that grounded expo. So you can see now the CC will get pulled as the king move to the gold storage, and both the expo damage getting to the king. And you can see I didn't use the poison for headhunters because my queen targeted them with ease because they were on the king, and so you can see I used the poison for lava pops. So now the king was moving towards the TH, and my wardens from the other side. I used the queen ability so she can take the town hall as soon as possible, and I had to freeze the both expos because I already lost my queen ability. So see, so a damage of 2 expos would have too much for her. So the RC will come from 12, and hawks from the CC. Hawks from the CC are very useful at the back end when you have single infernos with the support of RC. And you can see queen was getting low on health on the other side, but RC was on full HP, and as soon as that scatter gets pulled out, the queen will back with on some health now. So you can see pretty much easily done in the end, these two. So thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you must have enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure to share it. And I would like to ask you if you if you understood my English or not. If not, please let me know in the comment section. I will continue with Hindi. This was only because I was trying something new, so everyone can understand of it. So let's end this up, and till then, everyone take care and bye.